Oh, hello. Hello there, sexy. What's your name? You come often?
Hey guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to a brand new video inside a fucking boiling car. Mate, my bum cheeks are sweating. Like, that's how bloody hot it is. Ah, it's so hot. It's so hot. Oh my god, that's even hotter. It's so hot. So for today's video, I'm actually going to be driving a long way to get a Domino's pizza. I'm about to drive like, what, 15 miles? So basically 30 miles today I'm going to be driving to get a Domino's. That is the dedication. We are actually going to be going on the motorway today, so bracing, boy. I'm still going to stick behind all the lorries because I'm slow as fuck, boy. Okay, let's bang on that aircon because I'm sweating my tits off. I don't have any tits, but if I did have tits, they'd be off right now. I want to know from you guys, do you actually like hot weather? Like, it's too hot today. It's 28 degrees, and like, you can't sleep in this weather. You literally cannot even shit in this weather.
What?
So we are going to be going today to Leamington Spa, and we are going to be hopping on the M40, I think it is, and we are literally going to be chasing down the highway after that pizza ass. I'm coming for that pizza ass, boy. We're not even going to go for no basic bitch pizza like the cheese pizza. Nah, we are going to go for like that meteor. So for this drive with me, I found more music yet again. I'm about to play it, but obviously, like I said in all of them, I can't play a lot of it. I can only play like parts of the song because they've gotten a lot more strict on copyright music, so enjoy. First up is like H. He is a banging tune. Like, his voice, woof.
Show baby how you flex and make it shake. All that back and pretty face, girl, I'm trying to get a taste.
And this guy, I found this guy, he's called Dappy.
No matter what I get, I always wanna see more. Up and down at M-way chasing paper.
And another guy, listen to this, a Digger D this guy is.
I'm a cash boy waiting for addicts. It's 12 o'clock at night when the driver comes up.
Alright, time to put my foot down. Ready? Whee! Ah, there's a big fucking lorry. Look how close that lorry is to him. Fucking back off, mate. Right, we're coming off at this junction. Honestly, getting to this place is going to be so stressful for me because there's like loads of different lanes and you have to go from left lane to right lane. And it's just not what I'm used to. Normally you just pick a lane, stay in it, and then go through the roundabout, stay in it, and literally just stay in your lane. But this one you have to change all the time. So, we'll see, baby. We can go Warwick Castle together, guys.
Half a mile of Junction 3 Road.
Oh, look at this. This is a fancy road. It's so smooth.
Bye, have a great time.
Oh, he's ditched us. You don't want to be here. You know what? Lanes are like my worst enemy. Like, honestly, who the fuck needs lanes? I don't know where to go, I don't know where to go, but I'm going to follow you. Once I'm in town, there is actually a sweatshirt I want to look for. I know it's still kind of summer, but I've been looking for this online and apparently it's in this store, but they've took it off the website. So it might not be in store, I don't flipping know, but we're gonna see if it's still here. Oh, shit, innit? Honestly, that wasn't that bad of a drive. Didn't kill anyone, didn't kill myself. Press for assistance. Oh, fucking, mate, that almost launched me into space. Oh, I could go here. I'm really not used to forward parking. My grand's better at it. So basically, that was the drive. Right now, I'm gonna quickly go check my sweatshirt, and then I'm going to go get the Domino's basically. Okay then guys, so we are now back and obviously we're still in the car park, as you guys can see. You know what, let me actually show you guys my car. Here it is. So yeah, here it is. Don't know if you guys have seen the pizza yet, but it's fucking massive. Jesus Christ. And we got a banging deal on this. Honestly, I'm so happy. Watch this. Boom! Right, we got a large, like, Meteor pizza for £9. What the fuck? Okay then, let's do a special unboxing. Oh, cheeky. Oh, no, almost. Boom, bitch! Let's put it there. It's so big that it don't even fit in the bloody seat, honestly. Oh my god, that looks good. I literally want to drive home and eat this because that's just crazy. We're going to eat a few slices, then we're going to have to drive back. I don't want to pay too much in the car park. I might be wrong, but this is like the Meteor or something. But it's got sausage, ham I think, or bacon, I don't know. Ham, pepperoni, red onions, meatballs, or whatever those chunks are. Meat or something, I don't know. I could feed the whole of Antarctica with that, mate. Jesus, it's bigger than my head, mate. Oh, hello. Hello there, sexy. What's your name? You come often? Mmm. Mmm. That tastes beautiful. Mmm. I'm very full. I'm gonna quickly go downstairs. I also bought a Coke. I'm gonna go downstairs and pay for my ticket, and then we're gonna go home and get out of here, basically. Okay, I've got the ticket. £1. Let's get out of here. £1 that thing cost me. I'm gassed after that pizza. Kinda want a drink. I'll throw you away. It's quite tight, this place. Fucking hell. Whoop. There you go. Don't know which way you put it, but take it. Cheers, mate. This is the second time I've had the police behind me, and I'm really. Oh yes, they turned off. Whew. So if you guys watched my basically 2 videos ago, I drove basically supercars. And honestly, after driving those supercars, I was so happy to get back in my Corsa. Like, it's just, you can't even hear the cars on for some reason. It just seems very healthy. I think the cars that were there, they're meant to be drove hard. Like the steering wheel's run down, everything's run down. Getting back in my car, it's just, you can only hear the road, you can't hear the engine.
You're saying the words that I want you to say.
Look at this fucking hill. Imagine my car getting up this hill. Look at that Corsa. It's struggling. It's sweating. I'm actually redoing my room basically. We've painted the room. I've just got a new monitor for it. It's 4K, but I just realised nothing runs 4K that I have. I've got an Xbox One come in, a bed come in, because we've been sleeping on the mattress for don't know how many, like maybe a few months now. We got rid of our old bed, we bought a new bed, and then that bed was too small. We had to like get a refund for it, and it took ages. We finally kind of ordered a new one. I don't think we've even got the refund back yet, but yeah. I don't know if you guys want to see a video on that, you know? I'm basically trying to upload as much as I can now. Look at this road, man. It's empty. This bottle needs to shut the fuck up. You're sitting on my lap, mate. What the fuck? He's carrying a house on him. The fuck is that shit? He was carrying a fucking shed on his house, on his car. I bet you his wife told him to get out. And he's like, fuck it, I'm taking our house. Oh. Okay then guys, so unfortunately, I'm home now, which means it's the end of the video. Basically, we've got the Domino's worth the $9.99 that I paid for it. That's normally like an £18 pizza, but I paid $9.99. But yeah guys, unfortunately, that is the end of today's video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. If you did enjoy, hit the subscribe button if you are new. If you did like the video, then like the video. If you didn't, dislike it, tell me why. And also follow me on Instagram at @the_other_stuff. That is where I post my pictures. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys did enjoy, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Let them know I'm uncontrollable. Oh, really when they roll with me. How to let them know I'm uncontrollable.